Worried about your home security? Let's talk about the brand new video doorbell X3 from 360. Doorbell, sharper, smarter, and more secure.
Hi everyone, we the Balaton family would like to introduce you to a Balaton mug. The mug that will maintain the perfect temperature for your coffee or tea. The Balaton mug brings all the best features to the table. With our temperature control option, you'll enjoy your coffee to the very last sip. Besides the temperature control feature, our coaster can be used as a regular Qi charger for any device. The coating of Balaton is antibacterial, so it'll stay cleaner and have a longer odor-free life than other mugs. Onto our coaster, it's completely waterproof, so don't worry if you spill some hot tea or coffee on it. Just clean it and then use it again. The Balaton is safe, clean, and amazingly convenient, and made to be your best office friend. As safety comes first for Balaton, the coaster turns on and off by itself. Just put a mug or device on it. Hurry up and get your Balaton mug now with 23% off sale only on Indiegogo.
Yeah, hi. My name's James Stewart. I'm the founder and designer at Three Phase. The awareness now that there's a real pressure on the environment. People want to make a change, and I wanted to give people a tool. This really is what led us to design the Three Phase One. It's designed in such a way that you can step on and step off really easily and goes from 5'4" to 6'7". The Three Phase One is really designed to be the e-bike for everyone. It should fit your routine and it shouldn't be disruptive in the process. It's got disc brakes, it's got a throttle so you don't even have to cycle if you don't want to. There's a really nice suspension module in the front fork. The motor is a 250 watt or a 350 watt. And a key feature as well is the battery. It's removable and lockable. So there's no more having to carry the bike upstairs or into the office. You don't even have to turn the battery on. You can cycle it as a normal bike. So it's an e-bike or it's a normal bike. It's got the function for it all. Electric bikes aren't cheating. They allow you to cycle that extra mile that could have been a car journey. To show our commitment further, we've partnered up with One Tree Planted. And so for every e-bike we sell, we'll plant a tree, and it's a global, worldwide scheme. I've been in the industry for 15 years now. Cycling is in my DNA, as is design. I've ridden lots of bikes, designed lots of products, and so I spent the time and the effort and really put that and concentrated on making a bike I feel is the right bike for everyone. And it's an e-bike for everyone.
I got some bad news. It's not you, it's me. No, wait, actually it is you. And your performance... Such a disappointment. I mean, you only ever want to do it one way. Every time I'm sitting on you, those sounds you make. God! So annoying. Look, it's clear you can't satisfy me. So I think we should start seeing other people.
Let's face it. Even though you don't realize it, most of us are in unhealthy relationships with our chairs. They have limited adjustability and they only let you sit one way. But all of that is about to change. Say hello to be you. The transforming chair that lets you sit in any position. That feels great to be you. And with so many of us working remotely, it's perfect for your home or office setup. Think about it. You can spend up to 10 hours per day sitting. That's like 60% of your entire waking life. Science proves when you increase your level of comfort, you automatically skyrocket your level of focus and productivity, as you can clearly see here. Your body will naturally find its comfort zones, so you can enjoy the benefits of movement even when you're sitting. Now, let's talk quality. Cue montage. Beautifully finished veneer wood craftsmanship. Super strong quick release hinges that can withstand up to 400 pounds of pressure. Soft yet durable fabric that will stand the test of time. Double layer foam for a firm yet comfortable contact. And heavy duty wheels that will keep you rolling for years to come. So no matter your body type, your favorite position, or how long you spend sitting, get your BU chair. And spend the next decade sitting any way that feels great. Great to be you.
Oh my god, I love you. Let's move in together. These positions drive me wild. Never, ever, ever leave me.
I thought we made BU to stop people from having unhealthy relationships with their chairs. Guess not.
Yeah, so as I was trying to say before,
Sitting chained to your desk for a couple of hours makes you suffer from neck or lower back pain? Or you have health issues such as tailbone, hemorrhoids, or had a surgery that doesn't let you sit for a long time? Worick will make you forget about your sufferings and make your working space more comfortable. Worick is lightweight, meaning that you can take it everywhere with you and even use it in your car, especially for long rides. Worick is a U-shaped ergonomic pillow designed to instantly relieve your pain and make any hard surface a cozy place for you. Worick is very elastic, and it won't lose its shape throughout the years of use. Even meditations and yoga classes will become more effective if you use Worick, as it won't let you feel the hard surface. Trust me, exercising with Worick will definitely become your favorite thing. And most importantly, Worick will take care of your kids and help avoid spine-related issues in the future. Pre-order your Worick now with a special discount and free shipping only on Indiegogo.